friends, and welcome back to the channel. And it's a new channel, and it's fully smart, right? And this is the first part, and yeah, the first video in this channel, right? So we'll be doing it's the practice topic is the practice set, and mostly it comes for different competitive exams, right? So yes, yes, like learning it's important right nowadays when it comes for clearing the competitive exams or different exams, right? Be it in terms of job or anything, right? It's important for us to have that knowledge, skill set, right? Then only we will surely get what we want, right? So yeah, we'll start this for now. The first video we're gonna start in this channel, it's with the mathematics part, and it's trailing zeros. And yes, maths is a little bit tricky, right? Complicated. So it's all about how we can do tricks, right? Shortcuts, then only it will be easy, right? So yes, we'll see. The first part, it's trailing zeros. It's trailing zeros. So we'll see here how it works. Trailing zeros. So trailing zeros mostly. So coming to this trailing zeros, it's mostly the zeros, right? Zeros that is at the end of the value. Example 29500. So this will be the trailing zeros, right? So yeah, we're gonna see mostly it's the zeros at the end of the value, okay? Trailing zeros. So we'll see this one. And how like it's about getting like how many zeros are there in a particular value in this trailing zeros. It's about knowing. It's about knowing the number of zeros. Okay, it's about knowing the number of zeros in a value. Okay, so we'll see here. Okay. So the first example is, and how can we know? How can we know, right? How can we know? How we can know this? It's true whenever we find the number of 2 and 5 in a number, right? Whenever there is 2 and 5, then there will surely be zeros. Suppose 2 has got how many? 2 has got a multiple of 3 times into 3 times, okay? And then 5 has got a multiple of how many? 2 times. So how many times they can form a pair here? This 2 and 5. How many times? 2 has got 3 times and 5 has got 2 times. Surely 2 and 5 can form a pair of 2 times, right? So we'll get 2 times, right? So we'll get here is 2 zeros. Number of zeros here is number of zeros is equal to 2 because 2 has got 3 times, 5 has got 2 times. So they can match up between themselves 2 times, right? Because this is the minimum. Minimum is 2, right? So number of zeros will be 2. So this is the best example here. Trailing zeros, right? So 36. So here we need to take the LCM of 36. LCM. So this one 36. 36. So we'll get 2 into how much? 36. 36 to 1829 3 3 3 1, right? So this same we got, right? See, 3 into 2 times, right? And then 2 into 2 times, right? So how many numbers of 2 here we got? Number of 2's here we got is equal to 2 times, right? Then here with 45, 45, right? 4, 5. 4, 5, right? So we'll see here 4, 5. 45 again, LCM of 45 is how much? 5, right? 5 9s are 45. 3 3 3 1, right? So this is same thing. 3 we got 2 times and 5 1 time, right? So number of 5 here 1 time. Number of 2 it's 0, right? Here. So number of 5 it's 1 time, right? Number of 5 1 time. Number of 2 is equal to 0, right? Here for this number, okay? Then the next one is 50. LCM of 50 is 5 will get 2 times, 2 1 time. Okay. So total factor of 2 is equal to 3. So total factor of 2. How many times you got 2? From these total 3 numbers are there, right? How many times you got 2? 1, 2, and then 1, 2. 2 times, right? Total factors. Oh, 3 with this one, okay? 3, okay. And then 5 is 1, 2, 3. So total factors of 2 is equal to 3. Total factors of 5 is equal to 3. So trailing zeros will be 3 pairs of 2 and 5. Okay. So we form 3 pairs here. Okay. So this is the first example. So we get 3 zeros here. Trailing zeros is equal to 3. So next example. So now we're going to see it's the second example, right? Unit digit of 1 4 5 6 7 into 5 6 7 8 9 into 4 5 6 7 2 7 8 9 6 3 2 into 1 2 3 0 0. So we'll take it's the last part. Okay, here unit digits means one second. Unit digit means okay. This unit digit means we need to take this last value. Okay, 7 and then 9 and then 7 and then 2 and then 0. Taking all these, okay, then we need to multiply all of them. Okay, so the final result is 0, right? So the unit digit of the product is going to 0 here. What's the unit digit here? The unit digit is 0 because after multiplying all these, we get it's 0, right? So here, unit digit is 0. Okay, example 2. So now trailing zeros in 128. Example 3, okay? Trailing zeros in 128. So we'll see here. It's a trailing zeros in factorial of 138, okay? Trailing zeros in factorial of 128. So mostly if we take multiples of 2 and 5, 2 will get more multiples, right? Yeah. 2 will have greater multiples when it comes to 5. 5 will have less, right? Factorial. So basically we need to take the less number, right? So that will get the trailing zeros. Trailing zeros comes with the minimum number always. Minimum number, okay? So we'll see here, minimum numbers, okay? So basically 5 here. When it comes 2 and 5, 5 will have less multiples, right? Factorial. So we'll see here. So now we need to multiply 128 by 5. 128 by 5, okay? This one. Then plus 128 by 5 into 2. 5 2s are how much? 25, right? 5 2s are 25, right? So yeah, this is 25 plus 128 by, okay, once again, 120 by 5 into 3, okay? Maximum we can do it's 5 up to 4. What you have 5 up to 4, it won't go, right? Because 5 5s are 25. And 25 25 are how much? 25 25 5 5 are 25 5 2s are 10 11 12 2 2 5 are 10 2 2s are 4 5 6 2 5. So 128 is less than Why 625? 625 is greater, right? So it won't work here, okay? So max you can do, it's still 3 from for here, okay? So this one will get its 125, okay? So we have got till here, right? This one, right? 5 multiples of 3, it's 125, right? So 5 into how much to get 25 fives are 125, right? So yeah, so this one 5 into 25 we will get 125, okay? Then 25 into how much to get what 128 divided by 25, how much 5, right? It will be 1 2 5, right? So the same way here 128 divided by 5 it will be 25, right? 25 will be 125, right? Same way goes here 125 into how much 1, right? So these all we get, okay, by dividing, just do the division here, we'll get these values. So the total number it will be 31. So 128 factorial has 31 trailing zeros. So there will be 31 zeros. Means 2, 5, they will be pairing up for how many? 31 times. So we get 30 zeros. Okay. Then next is this one, trailing zeros in 8, 12, 16, 20. Prime factorization. So again, here we need to do that LCM, right? 8, 12, 16, 20, right? Total factors of 2, 11. Total factors of 5, 1. So trailing zeros will be, right? So for this 8, right? For this 8, right? This 8, okay. 8 prime factors. 8, we need to take LCM, right? 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1, right? So 3 times, right? So this one is the correct answer. 12. Again, we'll get this one. 2 times. So total it's 3 times, 5 times, 5 times plus 4, 9 times, 9 times plus 2 times, 11 times. So total factors of 2 is equal to 11, right? And 5. 5 how many times? 5, it's just 1 time, right? Only here. So total factors of 5 is equal to 1, right? So trailing zeros is equal to 1. Pair of 2 and 5, it's only 1 time, right? 1 time, because 5 came only 1 time, right? So total numbers of zeros is equal to 1 time only. 1 time. Okay. Example 4. Then we'll see example 5. So this is example 5, right? Trailing zeros in. Okay. 30 into 45. 30 into 45 we get is 1350. Okay. So basically this 30 into 45 we, so multiplying this one we get is 1350. So we need to take the factorial of 1350. So mostly multiple of 2 comma 5. 5 will have got more value, right? So compared to 2 will have more values, right? Multiples factors compared to 5. So we move, so 5 has got less multiple factors, right? So we'll take 5, okay? Yeah. Every time we need to take the less number, okay, which has got less factors. And here 5 has got less factors, okay? So we'll take 5 here. So 1350 divided by 5 one time. Then this one, right? 1350. So we need to divide this by 5 one time. Then plus 1350 into 2 times, right? See this one, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Then this one 3 times, okay? 1350 divided by q plus, then this one 4 times, up to 4, okay? We can do 1350 to 54, right? So it still goes, right? 6 to 5, okay? what if we do up to 5 times? So if we do 4 times, okay, do this 4 times, we'll get this 6 to 5, okay. So by dividing this one, 1350 divided by 5, we'll get it's 270, okay. Then this one, 1350 divided by 25, we'll get 54. 1350 divided by 125, get 10. 6 to 5. 1350, we get 2. So adding this all, we get 8. So factorial of 1350 has 336 trailing zeros, okay. So basically this is the logic about trailing zeros, okay, just not to get confused. Basically this is all about trailing zeros, okay. So yes, we'll continue until the next video, right? So yes, keep learning and happy learning to everyone. Next time, until next time, bye bye.